Final day of BILT. Heading over there now. A little gloomy today, but interesting. Heading to Sean Fruin's class where he's talking about generative design and all sorts of mad scientist things. So clip some of that in too. But yeah, final day. This one's ending on Thursday, and normally BILT straddles Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So a little different this year too. But it's been really fun, and we'll see what all I cut in today. So that's interesting. Follow along on this final BILT day vlog as well. All right.
It's going to be the most efficient setup I can think of, with a lot of assumptions relying on our architecture model, but just keep that in mind. Yeah, that's what we're going to talk about, is how we can eliminate data drops and stuff for project setup.
What happens when you get into it a year later, right?
There's nothing worse than getting into one of your old drafts and like, what did I do?
What in the world?
And let me stop for a moment and thank you for being those people, for making this a possibility, for being that community.
BILT is over. Last day over. There's gonna be a bunch of footage before this that happens. And Vanessa's here. She made it safe. And we're gonna go to downtown Disney and just hang out and decompress a bit. So we'll see if we throw footage of that in or not. We'll see what happens. All right, bye.